Unboxing. Unscrew all the screws and remove the top panel, then take off the side panels. Remove the 4 anchor screws, raise the machine, then remove the bolts securing the wooden blocks and take them out. Lower the feet until the wheels are on the ground and the feet are no longer supporting weight. Place the crate's front panel between the pallet and the floor as a ramp, aligning the arrow with the wheels. Carefully push the machine down the ramp to the desired position. Open the front cover and remove all accessories from the honeycomb table. Cut the zip tie securing the keychain on the X-axis and take it off. Then cut the zip ties on the honeycomb bed and remove the bed. Remove the white dust bags from the laser head and side mirrors. Power connection. Plug in the power cord to a grounded outlet. Attach the ground wire to the machine's grounding terminal. Then connect the other end to a separate grounding system or anchor it in the ground. Water cooling system installation. Connect the hose fitting to the water pump and attach the overflow pipe. Remove the water flow adjustment cap and replace it with the filter cap. Disconnect the pipe from the machine's inlet and outlet, then connect the 2 hoses from the accessory kit to the appropriate ports. Connect the inlet hose to the pump's outlet and place the pump in the water tank. Place the outlet hose directly into the water tank. Fill the tank with water until the pump is fully submerged. Plug the water pump into the machine socket. Remove the laser tube protection cover and take off the dust bag from the first mirror. Power on the pump and check the water flow inside the laser tube, making sure there are no air bubbles. Exhaust system installation. Attach the exhaust pipe to the exhaust port and tighten the clamp. Secure the other end of the exhaust pipe to the duct fan, making sure to align it with the airflow direction. Attach the second exhaust pipe to the fan's exhaust port with the clamp. Then connect the other end outside or to a smoke purifier. Emergency stop testing. Turn on the main power switch. Turn the emergency stop switch clockwise, then turn on the key switch and press the reset button. The indicator light will change from red to yellow. Press the emergency stop switch again, and the light will go out, indicating the function is working properly. Cover protection testing. Turn the emergency stop switch clockwise, then turn on the key switch and press the reset button. The indicator light will change from red to yellow. Now open the cover and the light will change from yellow to red. Press the pulse button on the panel and the display will show open cover error, confirming the cover protection function is working properly. Water protection testing. Unplug the water pump to stop the water flow. The indicator light will change from yellow to red. When the light is red, press the pulse button on the panel and the display will show cooling error, confirming the water protection function is working properly. Air assist testing. When the light is yellow, open the cover and feel for airflow from the laser head to ensure the air assist is working properly. Optical path testing. Cut off a piece of the adjustment tape and place it in front of the third mirror of the laser head. Use the panel to move the laser head to the top left corner. Close the cover and press the reset button. The indicator light will turn yellow. Press the pulse button to fire the laser, then move the laser head to the bottom left, bottom right, and top right corners, pressing the pulse button at each position. Open the cover and check the adjustment tape. There should be one smooth, round, black burn mark, confirming the optical path is aligned. Now cut off another piece of adjustment tape and firmly stick it under the laser head's nozzle. Close the cover, turn on the laser key, press the reset button, and the light will turn yellow. Press the pulse button, then open the lid and remove the adjustment tape. The burn mark should be round and centered on the nozzle, confirming the optical path is correct at the laser head. Software connection. insert the included USB drive into the computer and copy the files to the computer's hard drive. Open the Software Aardworks Setup folder and launch the Aardworks software installer. Click Install to begin the installation. In the installation window, click Install USB Driver. Click Install again to install the software. Method 1. USB connection. Connect the data cable to the machine's USB cable to PC port and the other end to the computer's USB port. Open the Aardworks software and click Settings in the bottom right corner. Double-click Device USB Auto. In the pop-up window, click Test. If Port Test Success appears, the software has successfully connected to the machine. Method 2. Ethernet connection. To find your machine's IP address, press the menu button on the panel, select Para Setting, and press Enter. Select IP Config and press Enter to check the machine's IP address. To modify the computer's IP, right-click the Windows icon and select Run. In the dialog box, type Control and press Enter. Then remember the machine's IP address. Select Network and Internet and go to Network and Sharing Center. Note the machine's IP address. To modify the computer's IP address, select Change Adapter Settings. Connect the machine and the computer using the included Ethernet cable. When the Ethernet icon changes to Unidentified Network, right-click the Ethernet icon and select Properties. Left-click and select Internet version 4, and then click Properties. Select Use the following IP address. Enter the IP address. The first 3 segments of the IP address should match the machine's IP, with the last segment being different. Click OK to complete the machine's IP setup. Click Add, select Web, enter the machine's IP, and click Test. If Port Test Success appears, it means the software is successfully connected to the machine. Preparation: place the material inside the machine and move the laser head above it. Use the focus ruler and turn the knob to raise the platform. Place the ruler between the material and laser head until the distance matches the ruler's thickness. Import the engraving design and adjust its size and position. Double-click the processing layer to set the engraving speed and power. Click Go Scale, set the speed, and click OK. After previewing and confirming the position is correct, click Start in the software. Method 3. Offline operation with USB drive. Insert the USB drive containing the engraving design into the machine's USB flash drive port. Press File, select Memory Open, and choose the desired file. Right-click to select Copy to Mem. Select the copied file and press Enter to confirm. Move the selection box to the speed power layer. Press Enter to confirm and adjust the speed and power settings. Click Run to begin engraving. Engraving is now in progress.